So, after a little bit of a delay, because I was absolutely loaded with a really bad cold, welcome to Season 3 of Ecig 101. So Season 3 is going to be the shortest season out of all 4 of them. I mean, next season's going to be extremely long, but yeah, Season 3 is going to be the shortest out of all 3 of them, and we're covering this stuff, e-liquid. We are covering the basics of it. That's going to be the episode after the intro that you're watching now. We're covering the basics of it, and next week after, next week after these 2 first episodes get uploaded, there's going to be 3 videos being released at the same time, and it's going to be part 1, part 2 and part 3 of the visit to Vaping over in Poland. And Vaping are a nicotine distiller. They take the raw nicotine and basically distill it into nicotine salts, or free-based nicotine or hybrid nicotine that we all use for vaping. And they also make flavours, flavourings for e-liquids. So that's going to be the middle part of Ecig 101 Season 3. And the final 2 episodes now, it won't be in the intro, but it'll be an episode, in fact it might be, it's either going to be in the description of this video, or it's going to be in the description of episode 2, which is the basics of e-liquid. But episode 6, we're going to be mixing our own e-liquid. It's going to be a very simple flavour. You're going to be looking at something like a plain strawberry or a strawberry and cream, and it's a strawberry and cream single flavour in the one bottle, just for people to dip their toe in how to mix their own liquids in DIY. The final episode of this season, episode 7, we're going to be layering a few flavours. So it's going to be like a custard base with another flavour, or maybe even 2 flavours in there. So we're going to do a multi-layered flavour. A little bit more complex, but to be honest, it's still not all that difficult. I mean, if I can do it, if I can mix a liquid, anybody can. However, if you want to follow along with the video, there's going to be a shopping list either in this video that you're watching now, or in episode 2 that's being uploaded the same day and being released in the same day. And in that is going to be a shopping list of PG, VG. It's going to be UK based, however. If you're outside the UK, you'll need to source your own place to get the PG, VG flavourings and all that, along with the basics like a plastic mug, a decent set of digital scales for roughly a tenner off of Amazon, that kind of thing. So I'm going to be including that little shopping list in the description of either this video or in episode 2. So you've got about 2 weeks, roughly speaking, 2 weeks to get your hands on all the items that are listed in the description, so you can basically mix along with the mixing video that I'm going to be popping up for episode 6 and episode 7. So there we go, that's the introduction for the shortest season in the Ecig 101 run, but it's going to be one of the more involved seasons, considering episode 3, 4 and 5 is going to be a very long kind of interview, businessy type thing, a deep dive into nicotine and all that over at Vaping in Poland. That's it for the intro, on to episode 2.